How to see private account followers on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device, and if you go to any person's profile and it is private, you won't be able to see their followers unless you follow them. And if you see any videos or any website that is telling you you will be able to see private account followers on Instagram, that is fake or they are trying to scam you. So basically, you will only be able to see private accounts follower by following the person. You can simply go to their profile, follow, and then after they have accepted your follow request, you will be able to see their followers. Another way, there's no another way. This is the only one method of Instagram. And this is how to see private account followers on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.